Good morning. Today I am going to explain about the next topic, that is the sign convention of a spherical mirror. In last video I explained about the ray diagram and uses. Okay. Now I am just going to explain about that the sign convention, how we will use for just solving numerical problem. So let us see that what's the sign convention. Sign convention. Okay, this is for a spherical mirror. Okay children, so how we will use this? See, this is the concave mirror and here I am making convex mirror. You will see that in the both the cases that the sign convention is same, nothing is different. Okay, this is the pole, here I am taking focus, this is center of curvature, here is pole, focus, center of curvature. Okay, so in that sign convention what we will use, that if we are taking the light ray, this one, in this light ray, this is the direction of light ray, direction of light ray, here also direction of light ray. So all the distances, first point is that all the distances are measured from pole. Okay, means we will measure the distance from pole, from here. Okay, second point, the distances in the direction of incident ray are taken positive, while opposite to it taken negative. Okay, third point, I will explain all these things. The distances above the principal axis taken positive, while below of it is taken negative. If you keep these things in your mind, definitely you will not have any type of problem. So what I written, all the distances measured from pole, means all the distances measured from here, that the pole, मतलब सारा distance pole से ही measure करेंगे, here, from here on the principal axis. मतलब अगर आप इधर जाते हो डायरेक्शन सी, द डिस्टेंसेस इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इंसिडेंट रे, अगर इसके डायरेक्शन में आप अगर मेजर करते हो, मीन्स इफ यू आर गोइंग up to here, this side you will take positive, if you are coming this side you take negative distance, if you are above the principal axis, this is the principal axis, okay, you take it positive, below of it you take negative. So simple. In this one also same thing, if you are coming this side in that direction you take positive, you are coming opposite means from pole, that negative, if you are above the principal axis you take positive, if you are taking the distance below of that means height, that is negative. So simple. In lens also we will see this one, the same thing, nothing is different. Means above the principal axis you take positive, below that take negative, above that positive, below that negative, in both the cases. And here all the distance, means this side. Don't use left and right condition. Okay children, don't use left and right condition. See the next thing, after that sign convention we will discuss about the mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? Okay, so mirror formula, what is this? That here is the relation between u, v and f. U is the distance of the object, v is the distance of image form, and f is the focal length. So here is the formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u, that is equal to 1 by f. This is the our formula. U indicates distance of the object, that v distance of image, f that is focal length. Clear children? We will use this one whenever we solve numerical. Definitely we will follow this one, otherwise you can't solve. And when we follow this one, we use sign convention. It is very important to that you have to use sign convention. This is very important one. After that, see that here is one relation, that is called magnification. That is the magnification. What is the magnification? Definitely that means magnification, it is the relation of the height of image to the height of object. So we write here m, that is equal to height of image by height of object. This one, this is the relation, and when this relation compared with the other, that is also this one, so magnification, that is the equal to v by u minus v by u. And when we will combine these two, we get that m, that height of image by height of object, that is equal to minus v by u. Keep it in mind. This one you can use while solving, while getting if you want to get the magnification, that whether the image is real, inverted, like that, you have to find height, you can compare with this one. Okay children, so like this we will solve this one. If the magnification, see here are some conditions. If magnification means, if I am writing here, that is the condition. If, see, first condition is if m is greater than 1. What is the meaning of this? If m is greater than 1, it means what? Height of image by height of object is greater than 1. It means if magnification is greater than, it means therefore you can write height of image is greater than height of object. Okay. In second condition, if magnification is equal to 1, it means that height of image, that is equal to height of object. And in other condition, if we see, that is third one, if height of image means magnification if is less than 1, then you can write height of image is less than height of object. These are the condition. So while solving problem, it may come to compare. In that condition we can solve like this one. Now we will solve one numerical related to this. Okay children, now see the question. An object 5 cm in length is placed at a distance of 20 cm in front of a convex mirror. Radius of curvature is given. You have to find position, nature and size. So see here, this is convex mirror. Here will be the focus. This is center of curvature. Object is placed this side. Okay. So first of all, the things, whatever the things given, first I will write height of object. It is given 5 centimeter. The distance of object u, it is 20 centimeter. Radius of curvature, it is given 30 centimeter. So you find focal length, it is r by 2. So it will be 30 by 2, that is equal to 15 centimeter. Now children, it is very important while solving this type of question. Here first next you write v equal to what, and height of image, that is also what. This type of question when you are getting, how you will solve? But you know that I will use mirror formula, but here is some mistakes. What is that mistakes? That I had not used the sign convention. Already I told, while just you are solving numerical problem, you use sign convention. Object is above the principal axis, so it is positive. Okay, it is positive. You may write positive or no need. Okay, you are coming opposite to the incident ray. This is the ray, direction of ray, so you are coming in this direction to measure this distance, so it will be negative. Focal length, focus is this side, you are going in the direction of ray, means उसी की direction में आप जा रहे हो, so you are moving this side in the direction of incident ray, so you take it positive. Okay, these are the things. Now we will use, we write here using mirror formula. What is that? 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f, or 1 by v, that is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. I written here. Now what we will do, see, in this one 1 by v, that is equal to f. What is the value of f is given? C plus 15. So directly you write here 15, and minus 1 by u, u is minus 20. So it will be 1 by v, 1 by 15 minus minus plus, it will be 1 by 20, or 1 by v, that is take LCM, this side you find like this, that 5 3 are 15, 5 4 are 20, so it will be 60. You divide it, you will get 4, 4 into 1, it will be 4. Okay, plus 12 से फिर divide कीजिए 60 को, that you will get 3, 12 3 are 60, 3 into 1 it is 3, or 1 by v you got here 7 by 60. Now you inverse it, so you will get v equal to 60 by 7 centimeter. 60 by 7 means what? It will be, when you will divide, you will get 7 8 is 56, 4 0, 7 3 is 35, 5 0 7 means it is 8.4 centimeter. V equal to, therefore you write v equal to this one. We got here this value v means distance of image. We got the distance of image. Here you are right. Therefore the distance of image is, means the image is from at a distance of 8.4 centimeter, like this. Okay, then after it is given, you find the its nature and the size. For that what you do, you find the magnification. Now write m, it is equal to height of image by height of object. What is the height of object? It is first how we will calculate, we don't know height of image. Here it is given height of object, so we will put the value, that is minus b by u. So you put here implies height of image, that will be equal to minus b by u into height of object. Now see, minus b, you don't use this value, this is the approx value, so you use this one. Okay, this one, this part. Okay, so you write here not this one, means for this one, that v 60 by 7, and the value of u, what is the value of u? That is how much? That is, it is given 20, so you write here 20, and into height of object. Height of object is given 5 centimeters, so write here 5. 12 3 are 60, so it is minus 15 by 7. So its value will be negative 1. You will get negative? No, actually here the size distance, see here what we are, I am going to get negative. And if suppose that this type of things you are getting, it means you are doing somewhere wrong. So don't do that one. That's why I written here, I not put the what sign here. You write here the sign. Okay, then in that case only it will be correct. So it will be positive, and its value will be 2 point something, it will get 7 to the 14, 2.107.1 centimeter you can write here. So in last you have to write therefore, hence the object, here not object, image, hence the image is formed at a distance of 8.4 centimeter, 8 centimeter from the mirror, and here is not positive, it is not negative, positive, and its height is 2.1 centimeter. It is virtual and erect. Why? Because this positive sign shows that it is virtual and erect. That's all. Like this you have to solve the question. Okay children.